Along your personal journey, you will encounter challenges. Those challenges will either prevent you or some of them even stop you from moving on and climbing that mountain. We refer to them as the 5 hindrances. The 5 hindrances are describing different states of the mind. The first hindrance is called sensual desire. Sensual desire arises in the moment when you are paying attention to something that is giving you a positive emotion. You climb up that mountain. After 1 mile of walking, you discover a beautiful restaurant. You smell delicious food and the great variety of beverages. When this temptation becomes so strong that you don't want to leave that place anymore, then the sensual desire has turned into an obsession. The second hindrance, ill will, describes a state of the mind that arises from negative emotions. You have an aversion, a rejection, or simply a dislike against either an object. It means you are climbing the mountain and it starts to rain, but you don't like rain. You discover the roads are bumpy, but you don't like bumpy roads. In order to cross the river, you need to swim, but you don't like swimming. Whatever it is that you dislike, it won't make it a pleasant journey unless you learn to let go of this ill will. The third hindrance, originally translated as sloth and torpor, it is characterized by sleepiness, non-motivation, lack of energy, and oftentimes can manifest itself in a state of depression. It becomes very hard to make any type of mental or physical effort. Now, the fourth hindrance is called restlessness. An unsettled mind either is worrying about the future or traveling into the past and rejecting, judging about an event that happened into your past. A simile used here is the monkey mind, constantly jumping from one branch to another, unable to stay for a too long time at the present moment. Now, the last of the 5 hindrances is called skeptical doubt. It is very easy in that state of mind getting lost in thoughts. Can I do this? Is this the right path? What will the others say? And the result is that you are getting disconnected with the goals and aspirations that once you have set to yourself. When the way is filled with too much doubts, more often you will stop instead of moving on. What are we going to do about them? You need to align and structure your life in such a way to prevent those hindrances from arising. If you are not successful, you need to use techniques in order to remove them. This is a 4-step method to help you removing those hindrances. The first step is recognize in what state of the mind you are finding yourself in. Afterwards, learn to accept, acknowledge, and allow the situation or a person to be the way how it is, to be the way how they are. Investigate your emotional and mental state and ask questions. Why did it come up? What is going to be the consequence if I remain in that state? And ultimately, non-identification means it is the practice. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not my emotion. It's just that I can see all these 3 aspects about me. All of our lifetimes, all of our lives are too unique to copy the past from someone else. To bring meaning to your life, to bring value into your life, you need to learn and master yourself. And don't let the hindrances stop you.